Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a BMW M5 logo in car parking. First, pick a car that resembles an M5, like a sedan with a sporty look. Then, head into the customization area. We'll start by setting a clean base color for your vehicle, perhaps a sleek dark gray or black, to make the logo truly pop. This initial step is crucial for a professional finish, so take your time to get it just right before moving on to the detailed design work. Now, let's create the iconic M emblem. You'll need 3 distinct rectangular shapes from the available decals. Carefully position and resize each rectangle to form the letter M with precision. For the colors, apply the classic M shades, a vibrant light blue, a deeper dark blue, and a bold red. Ensure the colors are distinct and properly aligned to capture the authentic BMW M aesthetic. This part requires a steady hand and a keen eye for detail. Next, we'll add the 5 to complete the M5 logo. Find a suitable number 5 decal in your game's library and carefully position it right beside your newly crafted M. Make sure its size and font style complement the M for a cohesive look. To give your logo a more defined edge, you might want to add a subtle, thin black outline around the entire emblem. This small detail can significantly enhance the logo's visibility and overall professional appearance on your car. Finally, it's time for the perfect placement of your new M5 logo. Carefully position the entire emblem on your car, typically on the rear trunk lid or along the side panels, depending on your preference. Double-check that it's perfectly centered and proportional to your vehicle's size. Once you're happy with the placement and all the details, don't forget to save your custom design. Now you can proudly cruise around car parking with your very own custom-made BMW M5 logo.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.